HMSV door lock valve against unintended cabin movements. Installation on a Moris power unit. HMSV block, fixing screws, a new ball valve and its fixing screws, coil with connectors, emergency lowering button, fixing O-ring. The most important thing is that this assembly must be done with no pressure in the distributor block and in the piston. First of all, bring the cabin at the lowermost position. Remove the power supply to the elevator. And with a screwdriver, push the AB electrovalve until the piston is totally closed and the pulley is close to the piston head. This means that the most part of the oil is inside the power unit. Once verified that the piston is totally closed, you may also leave the ball valve open, because there is no pressure inside the piston. Unscrew slowly the hose pipe. Some oil will pour out, so please take your time. Let the oil pour into the power unit. When there is no more oil coming out from the hose pipe, remove the hose pipe completely. Leave the hose pipe in a safe zone inside the machine room. Remove then the existing ball valve by removing first the screws in the lower position. Remove then the upper screws, alternating little by little the left one and the right one. The ball valve will then be disconnected. Do not let the O-ring and the filters fall back inside the tank. Take the HMSV block and insert the 4 fixing screws. Verify that the O-ring is in the correct position and lean the device against the distributor block. You can now lock the screws. Take the new ball valve and verify that the O-ring is in the correct position. Place the ball valve on the device and fix it with the 4 fixing screws. In this case, the ball valve is in vertical position because the power unit is inside a cabinet. If you want to switch the position of the ball valve, you have to unscrew these 4 screws, remove the plate, move the ball valve down, and put the plate in the position of the ball valve. Put the new coil on the electrovalve and fix it with an O-ring. Place the new lowering button. You may connect the coil cables directly on the controller or inside the connection box of the power unit. If on the existing power unit you have a pressure switch, you have to remove it from its original position and place it on the door lock valve, because the pressure sensed by the pressure switch must be the one of the piston. Remove then the original pressure switch. Remove the cap from the HMSV and in its place put the pressure switch. In the original position of the pressure switch, please put the cap. Connect back the pressure switch wiring. Once all the devices are correctly assembled and the electrical wiring has been done, you may now assemble back the hose pipe. Place the hose pipe back and lock the hexagon nut. You may now open back the ball valve and put the elevator back into service. verify that there are no pressure leaks in all parts of the distributor block.